one has just started to take off. The way we know it's just started to take off is because it's got the bestseller badge at the top here. We're hovering over it, so we know it's a legitimate badge. We're scrolling down and it only has shop reviews. So this particular item has only just been listed and it's only just started to sell well. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on it, search goods on AliExpress by this image. We're using that tool that we've already downloaded earlier. So with that first search right here, we found similar items, but not exactly the same item. So I'm going to have another quick search right here. But one thing we could do is, rather than stealing that exact item one for one, is we could find a similar item, something like this. But we're going to come back in and just try and make it as easy as possible for everyone. And we're going to search a different image. We're going to search this one instead. So here we found even kind of better, simpler items. So again, this is like Arabic wall art. And this is a good item that you could list and could sell. So it's similar to the first one, but I want to find the exact same one to show you guys the perfect example. So we're going to move on to the next product and we're going to take a quick look at this. So let's bring this up. Again, we're using the same exact tool, search image by AliExpress. And I want to show you guys exactly how I would do this. So with that first product right there, we were able to find a very similar one on AliExpress. So we would list that. That is a method that we can do. Find similar items to best-selling items and list those on Etsy. But I also want to show you how you can find exactly the same item on AliExpress that's being sold on Etsy and list that item as well. So this item right here, we were able to actually find on AliExpress. So you can see it's got slightly different pictures, but this is exactly the same item where it's like a creative vase that's been like melted over the wood. And it's really, really interesting. So we found this, and this is exactly the same item that I would buy right here. So what I would do in this particular situation is, okay, this seller is a bestseller. You can see it's got the bestseller badge right there. We can see reviews for this item. We're going to sort by most recent. It's got sale, like review, so many reviews on this item recently. This item's doing incredibly well. So this is something that we would sell on Etsy. We would buy the item from the supplier, from AliExpress supplier, where we take our own custom pictures, exactly what this seller has done right here, because these pictures are a bit meh, but they've done them, they've taken the pictures, and we would sell it ourselves exactly like they have done right here. And honestly, this works incredibly well. You can see that they have literally made, like, they are making thousands and thousands every single month from just this one single product. And if we head over to their store, we can see they've got 42,000 unique orders on their store. And a lot of them are very, very similar to this actual melted glass bowl kind of product right here. And this is exactly what I would sell. And it's really that simple to find best-selling products. Right here, I've just found a store that's done 42,000 orders, a store that's absolutely killing it on Etsy, and I found a supplier in China that can sell it for half the price. So it's really that easy. You don't have to overcomplicate it at all when you're doing product research. It's just important that when you are listing products, that they are exactly the same as a product already working, and you're doing something a bit better, getting better pictures, doing a cheaper price for the customers, getting faster shipping, or you are selling something similar, something that hits on a slightly different target market than what they're doing. Maybe it'd be good to do a really big piece of wood and a really big bowl, something for outside, something a little bit more interesting. And again, we're trying to find similar things and list those instead. If you want a completely free step-by-step guide on exactly how I do Etsy dropshipping, from the actual traffic side of things to listing products, everything included, then click right here or click the top link in the description. I'll see you over there.